Dear students, good morning. Our lesson today will make a quick revision about the main points in our curriculum of algebra. I hope to enjoy with us. Question number 1. Find in R the solution set of each of the following. First equation, x squared plus y squared equal 25. The second equation, x minus y equal 1. First equation is equation of the second degree. The second equation of the first degree. We're solving them using substitution. We started with the first equation, put x in one term, then x will be equal y plus 1, and let this is equation star. We will substitute in the second equation. We will replace hx with y plus 1 all squared plus y squared. It will be equal. We will expand the bracket all power 2. It will be y squared plus 2y plus 1 plus y squared equal. We will arrange the equation to be in the simplest form. It will be 2y squared plus 2y, and we will put negative 25 in the other side. The result will be negative 24 equal 0. All the equations divisible by 2. It will be y squared plus y minus 12 equals 0. We will factorize into two terms. Y, the last term is negative. The two brackets are different, positive. Y, negative. The big takes the sign of the middle. It will be 4 with 3. Y may be equal negative 4 or and y equal 3. If y equal negative 4 at equation star, negative 4 plus 1, x will be equal negative 3. Also, if we substitute in the equation star, x will be 4. We have to order the pair, the solution set. If x equal negative 3, then y equal negative 4. If x equal 4, then y equal 3, and this is the solution set. Second example, find the solution set for each of the following pairs of equation. First, x minus y equal 1, 2x plus y equal 5. The first equation of two variables, x and y, and it's of the first degree. Second equation, x, y of the first degree. Solving two equations of the first degree, we have two methods for solving equation, using omting or using substitution. Let us start. X minus y equal 1. This is the first equation. Using the omting, we will write x to x plus y equal 5. This is the second equation. We will look for the coefficient of x here is 1 and the coefficient of y is negative 1. But what about the coefficient of x here? 2. But what about the coefficient of y in the second? Positive 1. One of the two coefficients of y is the additive inverse of the other. If we add the two equations, negative 1 plus 1, it will be 0. Coefficient here is 1 of x, 1x plus 2x, it will be 3x. 3x equal 1 plus 5, 6. Divide two terms with 3, x will be equal 2. We will substitute in one of the two equations. 2 multiply 2 plus y equal 5. 4 plus y equal 5. Then y will be equal 1. At the end, the solution set must be written in the form of ordered pair. The first projection x equal 2 and the second projection y will be equal 1. Find n of x in its simplest form, showing the domain of n. We have three steps for get the adding of two fractional functions. First, factorize the two fractions up or down, then get the domain. The last step we cancel out. At the first, get the domain, the common factor, it will be x minus 1, and the denominator get 2 at the common factor, it will be x squared minus x minus 6 plus. Here at the numerator, three terms, trinomial, x, positive, negative, The big takes the sign of the middle, 5 and 3. Here's the denominator, difference between two squares, x, positive, negative, 3 and 3. We did not finish our factorization. At the denominator here, we have a trinomial. It will be also two terms, x, the last term is negative, they are different, 3 and 2, plus x plus 3 over x minus 5, x plus 3, x minus 3. After we finish the factorization, the second step, get the domain. How to get the domain? Domain of the fractional function equal r except the set of zeros of the denominator. Here is f of x equal negative 2, and here f of x equal 3, negative 3. The last step, cancel out. Just only cancel x plus 3 with x plus 3. We write our fraction again, but in the simplest form. 5 over x minus 1 over x plus 2, x minus 3, plus x minus 5, x plus 2, over x minus 3, x plus 2. Now the two fractions have the same denominator. We will write x plus 2, x minus 3, only one. We will distribute the bracket, x, 5 times x, it will be 5x minus 5. And we expand the two brackets, it will be x power 2 minus 10 minus 3x. Collect the like terms and arrange x squared plus 2x minus 15, the denominator x plus 2, x minus 3. At the numerator, there are a trinomial x, the last term is negative, the two signs will be different, positive, negative, the big takes the sign of the middle, 5 and 3. The last step, we will cancel x minus 3 with x minus 3. The simplest form of nx will be x plus 5 over x plus 2.
At the end of the revision, I hope that you enjoyed with us with the revision, and I hope to do your best in the exam.